How many hours have your eyes been working today? If you've looked at a screen for more than 2 hours, and let's be honest, you probably have, your eyes are already tired. Dry. Itchy. A little blurry. And that weird feeling like they're just done. That's not just you, it's called digital eye strain, and over 60% of adults feel it every single day. Most people push through. We squint harder. Blink more. Rub our eyes and hope the discomfort magically disappears. But that discomfort? It adds up, day after day, leading to headaches, poor sleep, and even long-term focus problems. But what if there was a better way? Today, I'm showing you 3 easy eye exercises you've probably never tried, and they can help relieve strain, boost clarity, and make your eyes feel amazing in just a few minutes. These aren't gimmicks or gimmicky gadgets. They're science-backed, totally free, and you can do them anywhere, your desk, your couch, even your parked car. Stick around to the end, because I'm also busting 3 major eye health myths and giving you bonus daily habits that could seriously change your screen life. If your eyes are exhausted, this is the reset they've been waiting for. Let's get into it. If your eyes had a reset button, this would be it. It's called palming, and it's one of the easiest, most soothing ways to give your eyes a break. No tools, no screens, just your hands and a few quiet moments. Here's how to do it. Start by rubbing your hands together for about 10 seconds, just enough to warm them up. Now, close your eyes and gently cup your palms over them. Don't press, just let your hands rest lightly on your face. You're not blocking out the world. You're giving your eyes permission to unplug. Take a deep breath. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds, hold for 2, exhale for 6. Let your shoulders drop. Relax your face. Feel the warmth from your hands melting the tension around your eyes. Stay here for 1 to 2 minutes. What's happening while you do this? The darkness helps calm your optic nerve. The warmth relaxes the tiny muscles around your eyes that have been locked in screen mode all day. Your nervous system gets the signal, it's safe to rest. Some people even use this as a mindfulness break. Close your eyes, palm, and just focus on your breath. It's not just vision relief, it's a mini meditation. Try palming in the middle of your workday, before bed, or anytime your eyes feel tight or tired. It's like a mini spa moment, but for your face, and once you try it, you'll wish you started sooner. You might even notice your thoughts slow down, your jaw unclench, and your breathing deepen. That's not just eye relief, it's a full-body shift toward calm. And the best part? No one even has to know you're doing it. Let's talk about one of the simplest, and most effective, eye habits you can use, the 20-20-20 rule. It's as easy as it sounds. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away, for 20 seconds. That's it. But why does this matter? Because when you stare at a screen, phone, computer, tablet, your eye muscles are frozen in close-up mode. It's like holding a dumbbell without putting it down all day. Eventually, those muscles get stiff, tired, and sore. The 20-20-20 rule gives your eyes a micro break. Even just 20 seconds of distance lets your focus muscles relax and reset. That little pause can stop fatigue from piling up over time. Here's how to make it stick. Set a timer on your computer. Or every time you get a notification, take a sip of water, or stand up, use that as your cue to glance out a window. Look at trees, a wall, the sky, anything that isn't glowing at you. It might feel like nothing at first. But this small habit creates big change when it's done consistently. And if you want to go pro? Try blinking slowly during those 20 seconds. Close your eyes gently, then open. Do it 5 to 10 times. It helps prevent that dry, scratchy feeling that comes from barely blinking at screens. This habit is perfect for office workers, students, gamers, anyone who zones out in front of a screen for hours. It's not flashy. It's not complicated. But it works. You don't need to stop using your devices, you just need to give your eyes a moment to breathe. Let's get those eyeballs moving. No, not the dramatic kind of eye roll. I'm talking about a gentle, controlled exercise that boosts circulation, improves muscle flexibility, and helps reset your vision. When you stare at a screen, your eye muscles lock into one position for hours. Over time, that creates tension, fatigue, and that foggy feeling like your eyes just can't snap into focus. Here's how to do a proper eye roll. Start by sitting up straight and looking forward. Slowly roll your eyes in a full circle, clockwise, for about 10 seconds. Then switch directions and go counterclockwise for another 10. It might feel weird at first, but it's worth it. You're waking up tiny muscles that rarely move when you're glued to a screen. Try repeating the cycle 2 to 3 times. And here's a pro tip, pair it with your breath. Inhale as your eyes begin to move. Hold briefly at the top of the circle. Exhale as you complete the rotation. This turns a basic eye move into a full-body moment of calm. Some vision therapists even recommend exercises like this to help with long-term muscle fatigue, focus issues, and dry eye symptoms. And the best part? You can do it with your eyes closed. No one around you has to know what you're doing. It's your secret vision reboot, right in the middle of your workday. Try it now. Seriously, pause the video and give your eyes a few slow circles. Notice how it feels. A little stretchier? A little less tight? That's your eyes saying thank you. Alright, let's bust some eye myths. There's a lot of sketchy advice floating around when it comes to vision health. So let's clear things up with 3 of the biggest misconceptions, and the truth behind them. Myth number 1, once your eyesight starts going, there's nothing you can do. Wrong. While serious conditions require medical care, there's a lot you can do to support your vision. Eye exercises like the ones in this video help reduce strain, improve flexibility, and support long-term eye comfort. It's not about reversing damage, it's about preventing it. Myth number 2, wearing glasses makes your eyes weaker. Nope. Glasses correct your vision, they don't change your eye muscles. If your prescription changes, it's not because of the glasses, it's because your eyes are evolving. What can help is supporting your natural vision with habits like the 20-20-20 rule and active relaxation techniques. Myth number 3, screens will permanently ruin your eyesight. This one's tricky. Screens don't typically cause permanent damage, but they do create temporary strain that can feel pretty awful. Dryness, headaches, blurry vision. That's all real. But the effects are reversible with good habits, movement, and regular rest. And here's a bonus one. Carrots are all you need for perfect vision. Carrots are great, they have vitamin A, which helps, but they're not a miracle cure. A healthy diet for your eyes includes leafy greens, omega-3s, berries, and staying hydrated. So if you've been told your eyes are doomed, or that you just have to suffer through the burn, you've been misinformed. Give your eyes the care they deserve, and they'll return the favor. You've got your exercises, but let's take it a step further. These daily habits are like long-term love notes to your eyes. Small tweaks, big results. 1. Eat for your eyes. Your vision is fueled by what you eat. Carrots are cool, but what your eyes really love are leafy greens like spinach and kale, omega-3s from salmon or flaxseed, and vitamin C and E from berries and nuts. These nutrients help protect your eyes from inflammation and long-term degeneration. 2. Set up your screen like a pro. The way your screen is positioned matters. Ideally, it should be at eye level, about 20 to 24 inches away from your face. Also, tilt it slightly downward. This creates a more natural viewing angle and reduces the urge to lean forward and squint. 3. Use blue light filters, especially at night. Blue light isn't evil, but it can mess with your sleep cycle. If you're staring at screens late into the evening, use night mode, blue light blocking glasses, or a filter app. Your eyes, and your sleep, will thank you. 4. Blink on purpose. Most people blink way less when staring at a screen. That's why your eyes dry out. Every 10 minutes or so, pause and do a blink reset. Close your eyes slowly, then open. Repeat 10 times. It sounds simple, but it seriously helps keep your eyes moist and happy. 5. Light matters a lot. Avoid harsh overhead lights and aim for soft, indirect lighting when working. Glare and contrast strain your eyes more than you realize. Bonus points if you let in natural light during the day. 6. Hydration equals lubrication. Your eyes need moisture to stay healthy, and that starts with drinking enough water. Dehydration can lead to dryness, irritation, and blurry vision. These are small, daily shifts, but over time, they can radically improve how your eyes feel and function. If you combine these habits with the exercises you've already learned, you're not just surviving screen time, you're thriving in it. Your eyes work hard for you all day. These tiny upgrades? They're how you return the favor. So, let's recap. You've now got 3 powerful, feel-good eye exercises in your toolkit. Palming to relax and recharge. The 20-20-20 rule to reset your focus. And eye rolling to loosen things up and boost circulation. Add in some myth-busting truths and those daily habits. You've just given your eyes a whole new level of care. If you're like most people, you've spent years pushing through screen strain, hoping it'll just go away. But now you know better. These small actions don't just feel good, they make a real difference. And the best part? You don't need apps, gear, or a whole new routine. You just need a few minutes, some consistency, and a little intention. So tell me in the comments, which one are you going to try first? Hit like if your eyes already feel better, and if you want more real-world wellness tips that actually work, make sure to subscribe.